Hi my friends, today I am making a new tutorial. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So I had a few requests from some friends of mine who have some groups and they don't see on their Facebook groups how to share their posts. It seemed quite strange and I thought a little bit and I decided to make a short tutorial on how to solve this problem. As you can see, I have in here, just a moment, a post, but I don't have only two choices, to like the post or to comment the post. So to solve this problem, you have to go in here to more, then edit group settings, then you have to go in here to, just a moment, to privacy, change privacy settings, and to make it public. If you want to share, then you have to make the group public. I will give here public, confirm. Okay, confirm. Okay, now as you can see the group is public and I have also the option to share. Like, comment, share. So we solved the problem and everything is okay. So the secret is, if you want to share all your posts, the group must be public. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe and hope to see you soon. Bye.